Do you know the signals your liver sends when it's in trouble? Often referred to as the body's silent sufferer, the liver plays a crucial role in maintaining our health. Unfortunately, it's frequently too late when we discover there's an issue. That's why it's essential to recognize the telltale signs your liver may be under duress. Today we're delving into a vital topic, identifying 10 alarming signals your liver might be sending you. Pay attention, as recognizing these signals early could save your life. Firstly, you might notice a change in your abdominal area. This could manifest as swelling or pain on the right side, just below your rib cage. This discomfort is often a sign of liver disease, as your liver struggles to process toxins and starts to enlarge. The second signal is jaundice, a condition characterized by your skin and eyes turning yellow. This happens when your liver can't effectively break down a substance called bilirubin, causing it to build up in your body and give your skin and eyes a yellowish hue. Thirdly, persistent fatigue might creep up on you. If you're constantly feeling tired, even after a good night's sleep, your liver might be crying out for help. Your liver plays a crucial role in your body's energy production, so when it's not working properly, you may feel unusually drained. If you experience any of these signs, it's time to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional. Next, your urine might give you some hints. Dark urine is not something to be ignored. It's often a clear indication that your liver is struggling to filter out toxins from your body. Along similar lines, pale or clay-colored stool can also be a signal. The liver produces bile, a brownish substance that gives stool its normal color. When the liver isn't functioning properly, it might not produce enough bile, leading to unusually light-colored stool. But it's not all about the bathroom. Itchy skin, though seemingly harmless, can be another signal. When the liver is damaged, it releases certain substances that can make your skin feel itchy. Lastly, a sudden loss of appetite could be a sign too. The liver plays a significant role in digestion, and if it's not working as it should, it may lead to feeling less hungry than usual. Remember, your body is smart. It knows when something is off. Finally, your body might show some severe signs. Let's dive into the last 3 signals your liver may be sending you. First off, if you're bruising easily, it's not something to be taken lightly. This could be a sign that your liver isn't producing enough clotting proteins, which are crucial for blood to clot properly. A healthy liver produces these proteins in abundance, so bruising easily could be a sign of liver distress. Next, swelling in your legs and feet. This is known as edema, a symptom of liver disease which happens when your liver isn't able to make enough albumin, a protein that prevents fluid from leaking out of blood vessels. When albumin levels drop, fluid can leak, causing swelling. Lastly, confusion or drowsiness. These symptoms are signs of a condition called hepatic encephalopathy, caused by toxins building up in the brain because your liver can't properly filter them out. These signals are your body's cry for help. Don't ignore them. So, these were the 10 alarming signals your liver might send you. From unexplained weight changes to yellowing skin, these signs shouldn't be ignored. Your liver, a vital organ, tirelessly works to keep you healthy. Never underestimate its signals. It's crucial to maintain liver health and take these signs seriously. Share this knowledge with your loved ones as it could be of great help. Remember, early detection can make all the difference. Listen to your body, it knows best.